Welcome to the online learning platform of MSBTE Learning at Your Doorstep. I, Mrs. Rashmi Bhatia, Head of Electronics and Telecommunication Department at Muchala Polytechnic, Thane. In this session today, we are going to discuss Unit 5 of Emerging Trends of Electronics, that is Smart World. The unit outcome for today's session is describe the basic component of smart home system with block diagram. Under this unit outcome, we will get answer of these questions, explain the basic component of smart home and draw and explain block diagram of smart home system. We will begin this session with basic component of smart home system. Under this, we will see briefly about video monitoring, security and alarm, door control, HVAC, that is heating, ventilation and air conditioning control, then smart lighting, smart metering and wave controlling appliances. We will also discuss block diagram of smart home system in this session. This is concept map of today's session. We are basically discussing a smart home. Under the smart home, today we are focusing on the basic requirement or component of the smart home. These basic component of smart homes are video monitoring system, security and alarm, door control, HVAC, smart lighting, smart metering, and wave controlling appliances. Video monitoring system. Video monitoring system is as shown in figure. It is basically consisting of camera, it is an outdoor unit, and display, which is an indoor unit. Camera can be wired or wireless. Cameras are designed to capture the videos or the images. This video is then sent to the display. Display is also connected to the built-in storage device. This display unit displays the images or video clip which is captured by the camera. Video monitoring system also equipped with the motion sensor technology. It will give you more security and it is an energy efficient solution for video monitoring system. When motion sensors are connected, this motion sensor detects the moment, and as soon as it detects the moment, the camera will start recording and it automatically generate the alert signal if any moment is found around. And same thing we can also monitor on the display. The second component of smart home is security and alarm system. Security and alarm system are made up of combination of the different sensors. These sensors will trigger an alarm when it detects any action. This alarm system, which can be installed in the home for the safety of the family from any outside danger. Wired alarm system is used and it use a low voltage current that flows between the 2 points throughout the home's entry point. Whenever the outside danger is entered, it breaks the circuit and it will be result into the alarm being get triggered and it will save the family from the danger. Third component of smart home is the door control. Door control or smart doors are nowadays are equipped with the video door phones and smart doorbells. These instruments will help us to know who is standing outside the door before opening it. With the help of video door phones, we can communicate with the person who is standing outside and we will come to know the reason about his visit and then we can access or deny the entry to that person without interacting physically with them. So by making this door smart, we can add extra security to our home and keep our family safe from unseen dangers. Fourth important component of smart home is the heating, ventilation and air conditioning control, that is HVAC. HVAC is the technology of indoor environmental comfort. The goal of HVAC is to provide the thermal comfort and acceptable indoor air quality. The three major functions of HVAC are heating, ventilation and air conditioning. These three functions are interrelated. The first part, heating. The heaters are appliances whose purpose is to generate the heat for the home. Heating can be done by using the system containing a boiler, furnace or electrical heater. Heat can be transferred by convection, conduction or radiation method. The second part is the ventilation. Ventilation is the process of exchanging or replacing the air to provide high quality air. Ventilation involves temperature control, removal of moisture, odor, smoke, heat, dust, bacteria, carbon dioxide and other gases. Ventilation method may be mechanical or natural type. Third part is the air conditioning. An air conditioning system provides cooling and humidity control for part of the home having sealed windows. The outside fresh air is drawn into the system by a vent into the indoor heat exchange section. Air conditioning provided through the removal of heat. Heat can be removed through radiation, convection or conduction. Student, time to attempt the MCQ. Now you can pause the video and attempt MCQ of set 1. Fifth component of smart home is smart lighting system. Smart lighting can be achieved by two ways. One way is by using the smart switch and second way is by using the smart light bulbs. Smart switches are the cost effective option because it does not need to replace every light bulb in the home. Smart light bulbs are more expensive than replacing a few switches. Smart lighting systems are controlled with the smartphone or tablet with the apps. Smart light system can also easily interface with Amazon Echo or Google Home, and these platforms are used for the voice assessment. For example, if you want to turn off the lights with Amazon Echo, we can say the command Alexa, turn the light off, and it will turn off the light. Sixth component of smart home is smart metering. A smart meter is an electronic device that record consumption of electric energy and communicate this information to electricity supplier for monitoring and billing. Smart meter typically record energy hourly and report at least daily. Communication from the meter to the network may be wired or wireless. In wired connection, it uses power line carrier. In wireless communication, it uses cellular communication or Wi-Fi. Smart metering offers potential benefits to the householders, which include an estimated bill, which are the major source of complaint for many customers. Smart metering also helps consumer to manage their energy. An academic study show that electricity consumption on average is reduced by approximately 3 to 5% using the smart meter. Seventh component of smart home is web controlling appliances. Web controlling appliances are accessed over a network connection using Hypertext Transfer Protocol, that is the HTTP. Home appliance control system accessed by a remote device such as mobile or palm top. This allows a homeowner to control, monitor and coordinate with the home appliances using internet from anywhere in the world. It accepts the instruction remotely and communicates those instructions to appropriate device within the home to monitor and control. Block diagram of smart home system is as shown in figure. It mainly consisting of two parts: central control unit, that is a microcontroller, and different electric and electronic home appliances which are connected to microcontroller. This microcontroller also communicate with the mobile app via wireless connection. Using mobile app, we can control operation of various electronic devices. Apart from this, using microcontroller, we can also automate the system. We can program the system, such as we can program our geyser to start on in the morning 6 o'clock, or we can program our lights can be switched on in the evening 7 o'clock. Lights will get switched off in the evening 9 o'clock, and like this. Sensors are also attached with the microcontroller. Different sensors are used: LPG sensor, motion sensors. LPG sensor will detect if any gas leakage, and it will give that signal to the microcontroller. Microcontroller accordingly start buzzer and open the windows. Similarly, motion sensor can also be programmed such way that as soon as we enter into any room, the lights will be turned on. Motion sensor can also be used to detect the any movement outside the home using camera, and the camera will start recording when it senses the motion. So by using the mobile app, we can control our device, monitor our device, and by using the Internet of Things, we can control this device anywhere from the world. So with the help of this smart system, we can make our stay at home more secure, more safe, and more convenient. So in this today's session, we have seen basic component of a smart home and block diagram of the smart home. Now this is the time to attempt some MCQ. Student can pause the video and attempt MCQ of set 1. In this session, we have seen how different automation system will convert our home into smart home, and which will make our stay more comfortable, more secure, and more convenient. Thank you for attending this session. In next session, we will discuss about the smart city. Thank you.